Hey guys, welcome to the Quantity Surveying Studio. First of all, apologies for not being consistent for the past, I guess, 1 month. I have been busy with my work, and right now I am on my annual vacation, so I'm back in Kerala and spending time with my family. So I've not got time to upload any new contents and videos, but still I'm making time to make this video because I thought before this year ends, one video needs to be made to thank all my subscribers, all my viewers for making Quantity Surveying Studio a big success. Not a big success, but I guess it is a big success for me. For someone who is like a big YouTubers or someone who is outside of this category, like someone who is outside of the quantity surveying field, would not think this as a big success. But for me, this has been a huge success, getting almost 20K plus subscribers. It has definitely been a motivation for me to keep uploading videos, and I hope this year I was able to make useful contents, and I hope it has been useful in your professional life, in your career. So now the new year is going to start in another 5 or 6 days, and I hope the new year gives you more success in your career, in your personal life. So then something I thought I would add to this video would be that you need to become an individual who should be standing out, because the competition is increasing. There is a lot of vacancies coming up, but equally there is competition also coming up. So you need to be that one individual who needs to stand out. In interviews also there might be people who would be doing good, but I guess this is the time that you have, if you're not yet taken any certification. Yes, experience is definitely a big add-on. Definitely experience is required, but then if you are having that certifications, that would definitely be a boost for getting you selected in that interview process and getting you finalized as the potential candidate for that vacancy. Obviously, MRICS is something that is on the top for anyone who is looking to get certified as a quantity surveyor. MRICS is the top certification. Then there are other certificates like the CCP, Certified Cost Professional. Then the new one, the CDCP, which I had I had been fortunate to get certified this year, and I am looking forward to get few certifications in next year. Hopefully, that happens. My New Year resolution for in the professional front would be to get a few certifications, maybe CCP or MRICs. I've not yet decided on that. So, like for you also, this certification will definitely be a boost in your. It is not going to be anyways like a disadvantage in your career. It is only going to be an advantage, a boost. Yes, you will need to spend money because nothing is free. Obviously, when you spend some money on something, you'll start becoming serious on it. Otherwise, you will only be keeping on thinking about it. Should I take it? Should I not? It is getting me like it is costing me a lot of money. So will it be useful? Uh, will it be economical? So all these thoughts keep coming to you. But once you pay for that, then definitely that will make you serious, and you will try to get that certified as soon as possible because you have spent money on it. This same thing happened when I started thinking about CDCP. It was, if you know about it, like it is a very costly certificate, very very costly. And before, I was like 2 3 months I was thinking whether it would be required, whether it would be useful. But then one day suddenly I finally decided. I checked few people who are certified through LinkedIn and all. I've messaged them, I asked them like what the process is, how, whether it would be useful, and after getting all those information, then finally one day I decided, now it's time, I'm going to pay the money. Then I'll slowly start thinking about how to get certified, and that is how it happened. And luckily I got certified within, maybe I spent around 2 months to learn the entire concepts. Then it is like, if you I'll be making a different video about how to get certified as a CDCP, how I got certified, what would be the best way, and all those stuff. I'm planning to make a video on it soon, so you'll get the details in it. So yeah, this is what I thought uh, I something that I wanted to talk about. And so hopefully you all have a good professional life ahead. This would be, I think, the last video of this year. So have a great new year. Celebrate with your family. Have a enjoyable day, fun filled day. Thanks a lot for watching this video, and all the best. Bye.